CES 2024 Lab Tech Show. Tallboy, man, we're here. Oh my God, I've been walking. And you know what? There's a lot of dirty floors out here. But I got something for you. Do you want to take your home floor cleaning to another level? Oh my God, I think I found a robot that does some things. Now, we've heard about robots, floor cleaning robots, but I think I found a company, Narwal, that will tell us that they do something very special. And I got Yaru to tell us all about their product.
Yeah, for sure. Hi everyone, I'm Yaru. Our robot do vacuum and mop. We're a vacuum and mop robot. We can vacuum and mop or vacuum and mop at the same time. And what's special about our product is our latest innovation called Zero Tangling Floating Brush.
So hold up, Zero Tangling Floating.
Brush.
So what does that mean?
So that means we're the only brand that is certified by SGS for 0% hair entanglement. That's why we call it Zero Tangling. And why it is floating, it's because our special brush design.
Okay, so women have hair, pets have hair, kids have hair, and they're just all on the floor.
Yeah.
And you're telling me I don't have to worry about when it picks up and it won't get tangled?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so I have to ask, you said mop and vacuum. So how does all this technology work?
So basically, like when you get your robot, you can set it on an app. You can click like mop or vacuum, or mop and vacuum at the same time. You can all operate on the floor, on the app, sorry.
Okay, so I open up the Narwal app and I can select mop, or I can select floor, or I can select both, and it can recognize both at the same time?
Yeah, exactly. Once you select on the app, the robot is going to take care of all it for you.
Okay, so my question is, how long does this vacuum robot, last for?
It lasts about 3.5 hours, like 210 minutes.
So 3.5 hours. So that means I can literally have it clean the house, and then if I forget to charge it, it's still for multiple uses.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so now I have to ask, what is the charge time?
The charge time is about 3 hours.
Okay, so we got 3 hour charge time, 3.5 hour use time, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what would be a perfect use case, or why should people use the Narwal Freo X?
That's a great question. So the best use case, if you have pets at your home, or if you have long hairs, or if you really care about mopping, you want to mop your floor a couple of times, then this is the best vacuum for you. So basically, most of the use case, you want to vacuum or mop, this is the best vacuum for you. No matter what you want, it can fulfill your needs.
All right, so I have to ask a question, because people are like, all right, I'm interested. How much does something like this cost?
So this robot is about $1,399, but we're doing an early bird offer right now. If you buy our coupon, and you are going to get $300 off, and also all year round accessories. And we send the accessories quarterly to your home, like pads, like mop pads, and also dust bags.
Okay, so speaking this right here, these are going to get dirty. You're going to send extra ones like here, and then I don't know if you know this, but how much or how many of these can you order? Do they come in like a 2-pack, 4-pack? How can they get these? Can they just go on your website and get them?
Yeah, you can just go on our website after we launch the product in March, or on Amazon. You can buy the pads, like every time it's like 2 pads, because that's how much you need for 3 months.
So the pads are good for 3 months.
Yeah.
And then the tangle-free brush, am I right? Am I saying this right?
Yeah.
So this, I should not have any problems as far as replacement?
Yeah. So this should be good in quality. If there are any special case, you can also buy like brushes for replacement online.
All right, real briefly, can you show me how this works? Because you're telling me, because I don't believe it. You said it's the only technology, right? So I don't believe it. We're here at CES, and everybody's showing us these great products, but we want to see that it will not get tangled. So you're putting in dog hair or regular hair, and you're
putting pet hair right now.
Putting in pet hair in
dog
right
hair,
now.
yeah.
And it's literally just going inside of the vacuum cleaner, and it's not getting stuck.
Yeah, exactly. You can say there is no low tanglement at all.
So most of these robots, they tend to get stuck, is what you're saying?
Exactly, because the normal robot brush is like this, so it's so easy to get tangled on the 2 ends.
Oh, okay, cool.
Now I'm going to put into some human hair.
So this is human hair that
Yeah.
you're putting in. So now the mom, the daughter, they're just combing their hair, and then the robot can actually come in and pick up.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Okay, so it's a whole floor maintenance free cleaning solution, and it's called the Freo X Ultra. All right, Ultra. All right. And the website?
You can just search for narwal.com. You are going to find our website.
All right, so if you want exceptional power with minimal maintenance, I think you need to check out Narwal. It's the Lab Tech Show. Tallboy, we're here at CES. We're out.